Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and explore the latest trends that shape our future on the road. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a game changer in the automotive industry, the electric vacuum pump, or EVP for short. Imagine you're cruising down the highway in your brand new EV, feeling the wind in your hair, and then, suddenly, you're faced with a brake failure. It's a scenario that many of us hope never happens, but it's one that could be mitigated with the help of a reliable electric vacuum pump. According to recent market research, the automotive electric vacuum pump, EVP market, is expected to surpass us $2.80 BN by 2032, driven largely by the growing adoption of electric vehicles. And why wouldn't EVs need EVPs? Well, you see, traditional vacuum pumps rely on air pressure to function, which can be tricky in low-pressure environments like those found inside an electric vehicle. But the electric vacuum pump is a different story altogether. It uses electricity to create a vacuum, eliminating the need for air pressure and making it much more efficient, especially when it comes to brake system performance. In fact, EVPs are being touted as a key component in ensuring safer and more reliable braking systems for electric vehicles. Now, let's take a closer look at why this market is heating up so quickly. The shift towards sustainable transportation has been gaining momentum over the past decade, with electric vehicles leading the charge. And while EVs have their own set of challenges, like battery durability and charging infrastructure, the electric vacuum pump is one technology that's poised to make a significant impact. With its ability to improve brake system efficiency, reduce downtime, and enhance overall vehicle performance, the EVP is becoming an attractive option for manufacturers looking to upgrade their production lines. And it's not just about the technical benefits. The adoption of EVPs could also have environmental implications, as reduced braking, where means fewer parts need to be replaced over time. So, what does this mean for the future of the automotive industry? As we continue to push towards a more sustainable transportation sector, technologies like the electric vacuum pump will play an increasingly important role. At Electro Drive News, we'll be keeping a close eye on this market and bringing you all the latest updates. So, stay tuned for more insights into the world of electric vehicles. That's it for today, folks. Join us next time on Electro Drive News for more stories like this one, where innovation meets sustainability.